Hello and welcome to Module 10, one-on-one learning with mobile devices. We have the um, topic one-to-one projects, iPads in the classroom, Chromebooks in the classroom. Due this week is a reflection and a discussion posting. Again, you should continue to, if you're looking ahead, to work on your project-based learning assignment and all of the lessons that are going along with that. You should be creating them as we go. For this week, you're going to kind of look at this module two schools video. St. Paul Public Schools has a um, personalized learning department where they launched a series of iPads in every classroom throughout the district, and I want you to go to the personal office of personalized learning
Something on the web
and my phone, and look at some of these videos. They're from various schools, I believe. They look like they're all from elementary school, none from high school. But you don't have to look at all six of them, but definitely, 3 to 4 of them to kind of get an idea of what's happening in St. Paul and what the teachers themselves are saying about the iPad project. Then we're going to look at Robbinsdale. Robbinsdale decided to, instead of Chromebooks, they decided to. This is more about. Sorry, this is more. Now you're going to read about St. Paul Public Schools personalized learning. What is personalized learning? And various resources for their project. Now we're going to read about Robbinsdale. Robbinsdale decided to use personalized learning. Again, the same concept, but they decided to use Chromebooks. Definitely encourage you to read about the FAQs about Chromebooks and then check out their district technology plan, which kind of indicates why they chose to do Chromebooks and their implementation goals. Interesting information for you. For your reading, I'm just going to write a reflection about the St. Paul Public Schools and Robbinsdale Public Schools case study documents and the personalized learning. Tell me what you glean from that. What's important? What's the observations you're making? What resonates for your module discussion for this week? You're going to go to one-to-one personalized learning. If you had one-to-one devices in your classroom, everybody would like that, right? What would you do, and what 2 things would you change about your instructional practice? Because again, technology is for the pedagogy and impacts the content, and there's lots of impacts that it can have. So how would it impact your classroom? I think that would be the end of this module. Yep, because then we go to module 11. Thank you.